Welcome to Boost Knowledge Math, where we will analyze brilliant and fun math problems and help you get the answers. We will also be juggling your brain and boost your IQ. So let's get started. So today we are going to solve a number question. So what is it? Let's go. It is called the broken calculator question. So, well, my calculator is broken. I can only use the keys 4, 7, minus, times, and equals, and I have to aim to find 11. So you might say, well, that's easy. You just do 4 minus negative 7 and you get the answer. But there are strict rules. Firstly, no brackets are allowed. 4 minus negative 7 is not allowed because you cannot put in this calculator, because this calculator is very stupid, you cannot put two signs, like operative signs, plus, minus, times, and divided together. Why? Because, well, this calculator is stupid and you can't do it. Like, negative 4 times negative 7 wouldn't work. The calculator would think you... so at first you put a negative and then you said, oh no, it's wrong, I put times, you put times, so negative 4 minus times negative 7, the calculator would think that, well, you did a negative 4 times 7 and it doesn't work. So, well, that's not the solution. And you can only use the buttons less than 500 times, like press it less than 500 times. The second rule isn't really very important. And finally, please find at least 2 different ways, and they have to be 100% different. Why? Because you could just do, like, if you found a way x times 4 equals 11, and you could just go, well, I don't care, I just do x times 4 minus x times 4 minus x times 4 minus x times 4, and, well, boom, you get the answer. Great. But that doesn't count. That's not 2 different ways. That counts as 1 way, or not even multiplying the answer by any times and subtracting parts of it. It doesn't count because they have to be 100% different, or you'll just get loads of ways as long as you have one. So please pause the video and think of solutions. And wait, let's go. Think of some solutions. You are aiming to have at least 2, but if you have more, well, it's fine. Okay, now let's start the solutions. So the first solution is this. So we know that negative 4 minus 7 is negative 11, so we must find multiples of 11, like 88, and then you minus 4 minus 7 minus 4 minus 7 minus so many times, and then we get 11. So that's a very easy way. So 4 times 4 times 7 equals 112, so minus 112 minus 6 fourths, then you get 88, and then you minus 7 minus 4 minus 7s, and you get 11. And that's easy. That's an easy way, because you see, you just have to find multiples of 11 and take away them. The second solution is more fun, because although it says you cannot use brackets, you still can press the equal sign more than once. It says find 11. It's not said after you press the equal sign, the result must be 11. So, well, 7 minus 4 equals 3. You press the equal sign and you get 3. And 3 times 4 times 4 is 48. And I think you could get the answer, because 48 minus 4 is 4, and then minus 3 minus 4 minus 7s, and you get 11. Cool, isn't it? The third solution is even more cool, and if you found it, well, you're impressive, because the question did not say that you cannot create a 2-digit number. So 44, you just input 44 minus 4 minus 7 minus 4 minus 7 minus 4 minus 7, and you get 11. And you might be like, oh, there's loads of solutions. You could do 77 minus 4 minus 7, but they are similar, so they'll be counted as equal ways. And 77 minus 44 also doesn't count like this. So, well, we got 3 solutions, great, to this very hard question. So the question is now how to solve this problem, because you can't just say, oh, I've studied it, like in an exam, oh, I've studied this question before, nice, I'm putting all the answers on. You probably won't see this question, and I bet that this is the first time you've ever seen a question like this. So how do you solve this problem? Firstly, you have to, as we did, you said you must find minus 4 minus 7, so it's multiples of 11, so that's the easiest way. you find that minus 4 minus 7 equals negative 11. So if you find multiples of 11 minus 11, you get 11. N times 11, you get 11. So this time you have to create multiples of 4, and that's the hard part, because you probably don't know how to create it. You use the times sign to make the number really big, subtract some 4s, and then you get the multiples of 11. For example, they have to be bigger than 22. So you have to find multiples of 4 which are bigger than 22, like 24, etc. But 24 wouldn't work because it must be able to minus 11. So actually this PowerPoint is wrong. They have to be bigger than 44, and they have to be multiples of 44. Cool. And they have to be create multiples of 11 by subtracting 4s. And that's the same for 7s. Like if you create a multiple of 7, like 77, and then you get like something like 84, and then you minus 7, you get 77, then you minus 4 minus 7, etc., and you get it. So that's also a way. The last way is that you should think out of the box. Creating 44 or 7 minus 4 equals 3 is really brilliant, and don't get fixed mindset, because if you just use the first way, you might spend ages on this question and only get 2 solutions, and they might even be the same. So this is all we need to know about this question. The fact is that don't think too complicatedly. That's the point I want to add, because if you said another way is minus 4 minus 7, think about it, because it's minus 4 minus 11, and 11 you can just put it in the multiple of 7 and it's just become minus 4. So it's just very simple, very straightforward as you know the way. So the most important thing is to look at this question, observe and get the answers. I think you would probably do that for any KS3 or GCSE questions. And this question does not only have 3, 5, or even 10 answers. There are about 1 million of them lying around. So if you do have some solutions, please post them in the comments. And it'll be really great, because practicing this in your spare time will really boost your knowledge and jog your brain, especially doing these problems, which are open-ended questions and no limited solutions, really. So thanks for watching Boost Knowledge, and this is the end of our first math problem. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully your IQ has added by 10, I think, just joking. So please like and subscribe this video for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.